Ever had Stripe or PayPal shut you down? The truth is, they don't support every industry, and that can leave you without a way to get paid. Here is a quick way to see it. Stripe and PayPal both restrict certain business types. If you are in supplements, coaching, or other higher risk products, you will likely get flagged or shut down. Popular platforms like Stripe and PayPal are built for low risk businesses. But once you step outside their list of approved industries, you are on borrowed time. Many merchants only find out when their funds are frozen and sales stop overnight. That's why it's important to know which processors actually support your model. Instead of fighting declines and shutdowns, you need a payment partner that's designed for high risk industries. That's where EasyPay Direct comes in. They work with nearly every vertical and connect you with banks that support your business from the start. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out. They also offer chargeback mitigation, which helps protect your account once you are approved. If you're ready to accept payments without worrying about Stripe or PayPal restrictions, EasyPay Direct can guide you step by step. The link is in the description when you are ready.